Insurance software isn't exactly the stuff of legends, but if you're here, you already know Duck Creek is kind of a big deal. From coding to underwriting to policy management and claims, Duck Creek helps insurance companies run smoother, faster, and smarter. In this video, I'm going to break it all down. What Duck Creek actually does, who is it built for, and how you can start working with it without feeling like you're learning an alien language. And let's start by the obvious question. What exactly is Duck Creek? Well, Duck Creek is an enterprise-level insurance software platform that helps carriers build, manage, and deliver insurance products. It's modular, cloud-based, and built for the modern insurance world. It is designed for insurance companies, system integrators, and IT teams working on P&C insurance, that is property and casualty insurance. So whether you are configuring products, streamlining claims, or digitizing the entire policy lifecycle, Duck Creek's low-code or no-code environment helps you do it all without starting from scratch. Let's dive in and get you up and running with Duck Creek. First of all, if you go to the website, that's duckcreek.com, you'll land on the homepage right here. Here you can see some information about the platform as well as some key features and products offered by them. And you can see some testimonials and success stories as well. And you can learn more about the new features and the partners of Duck Creek. Now, they do promise you end-to-end insurance capabilities from billing and invoicing to claims to rating and clarity through the whole life cycle. Now, if you go up to the top here in the homepage, you can go ahead and see the different products that they offer. As you can see here, they have many products like the Duck Creek suite of apps, the billing product or the billing services for claiming payments, invoicing, and everything, claims, clarity, compliance, and others. And you can click on any of them to explore it even more. Now, if you want to start using the service, if I click here on Get Started, you need to add your information, your name, your company, business email, job title, phone number, and then you can talk to sales in order for you to access the features. Now, let's go back and explore the products and features in more detail. And let's start with the Duck Creek suite. Here you can transform your P&C insurance business with evergreen tech. So you have tools like the policy here, the policy builder, the rating quickly and easily process complex data with powerful insurance rating engine to generate the statistics that you need. You can manage the entire claims lifecycle starting from the clients claiming the insurance all the way to the finishing touches. You have digital customer service powered by Leah or their agent, digital engagement policy holder, producer. You have industry content to accelerate speed to market with pre-built industry content, reinsurance, clarity, compliance, billing, where you can process payments seamlessly and issue professional invoices, all the way to payments and loss control. Now you can view all the tools like here and learn more about any of them. For example, let's learn more about the policy aspect. And on any page, they do give you the option to talk to sales to learn more. Now, here you can see here from a snippet of the dashboard that you can have simple statistics to show you all the aspects of your policy, which is exactly what Duck Creek offers. It offers a comprehensive and scalable solution enabling insurers or insurance companies to meet the personalized needs of modern consumers and deliver exceptional experience for the customers. Now, they tell you why you should choose the Duck Creek policy over like some competitors. It is flexible and configurable to your insurance business needs and scale. It has integrated ratings and forms. It has the product architecture to configure a product once and then reuse the same architecture with every future product that you have. It is trusted by over 50,000 transactions processed by day, and you can only have 5 seconds to produce tailored quotes for your customers, as well as up to 70% reduction in time to update rates and factors. Now you can see here some key features like the active delivery. The system is continuously improving with automatic updates that keeps you aware of what your insurance business is doing. The industry content, end-to-end policy lifecycle, as well as the product design tools. Now let's check some other products, and here you get an overview of the products. You get to see the capabilities as well as the support services that they offer. Now let's go ahead and check the payment tools offered by Duck Creek. You can get for your company, for your insurance company, payment processing for insurance. The Duck Creek offers a payments facilitator that is embedded payment processing platform and integrates directly within the Duck Creek ecosystem, offering your insurance business a secure and comprehensive way to accept payments from policyholder. And you can also make claims as needed. You also get the Duck Creek Payment Orchestrator that provides a single connection with a wide array or wide range of payment technologies provided worldwide in order to make it easier for your customers to complete the payment process. Also, you see here some reasons why you should consider Duck Creek Payment. It does all the work for you. It converts file formats and builds capabilities and workflows for you. It also accelerates speed to market. It's a future-proof payment capabilities because the payment processors and payment methods are constantly updated, and you can also streamline operations with a single contract. You can download the brochure to learn more about all the payment features. Now, let's check the capabilities as well. So you have anywhere integration, the Duck Creek on-demand service, the Duck Creek platform, future-ready upgradability, and low-code configuration. Let's check the Duck Creek on demand, and let's check the benefits of it. Now, you can increase speeds to market and operational agility because their low-code or no-code configuration tools open architecture with SaaS delivery, which helps empower everyone in your organization to be more productive and self-reliant in their role. Also, you can reallocate IT resources to support your business priorities, as well as lower the total cost of ownership. And here you can see some numbers and statistics that show you how powerful the Duck Creek on demand is. You can see and learn more about the key features here. Now, if you ask me, as an insurance company, investing in a tool like Duck Creek will make it a lot easier for you to handle any compliances and connect better with your customers through a wide array of tools that are available, as I did show you here in the video.